Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to use voice typing in Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 or 11. So this is very easy and a simple way to use voice typing in Microsoft Edge. So firstly you need to click on search. Now type here settings and open it, and other way to open settings, just click on here this Wi-Fi and this sticker icon, and here you see this settings option. So click on it, this all settings. Now here need to click on privacy and security. Now here speech, so just click on it. So you see this online speech recording, so just enable this option. So this online speech, so turn on this option, and now close it and open your Edge browser. Now need to press and hold window key plus H. So you see this will be activate. You see this is fully workful, like hey, you see this will be right typing or right detecting. You see this is right detecting voice. So this way you can easily use voice typing in Microsoft Edge on Windows 10 or 11. Now close it. So thanks for watching this video. Please comment this video and subscribe this channel for more useful videos. Thanks for watching again.